Hey, so as you can see, the dimension is 532 inch. That's the diameter, okay? I don't know if you can see it, but that's the original. It's exactly same. So you guys can use this. I don't know how long I need it, so I'll just plug it into the back of that thing and then cut it later. This to the fender well. So make sure the TRD logo is on top, and I'm gonna shove this in there. Make sure it goes in. Okay, I need 2-hand operations, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so after you place the airflow, the rubber in there, okay, place this air box, then grab it with your hand and just pull it, and it'll just pop in. It's easy. And for the bottom, just put your hand in there and push it in, and then while pushing this box back, and it'll just pop in. Okay, and then you add 3 bolts. It's a perfect fit. I didn't use the rubber grommet that they supply over there. I just used the one that came with the original box, and then it's a perfect fit. So it's like no movement, and for now it's good. So let me install the TRD, the connector pipes and the air box and everything. You know this bracket over here for the original box, you don't need it, so remove that screw and just take it out, okay? Because it's gonna interfere with the installation. Okay, just take it out. Okay, so I placed that there. I didn't tighten anything yet, so for now that's that. And then I'm gonna install this paper filter. This is original Toyota. Part number is 17801 YZZ13. I'm gonna use this, but I ordered the TRD oil filters, so I'm just gonna use that. And then when I go off-roading, I'm gonna place this thing in, because once you go off-roading, all that sand will ruin the airbox and the filter, so it gets really nasty. Like my old one, I just took it. This has only been, I don't know, like 4,000, 5,000 miles. It's already all dusty because look at all this dust. So it gets everywhere if you go like to the desert or something. But in California, there's a lot of desert, so that's the only place we can go. Anyways, let me install this real quick. I just popped this in, but how you do it is there's only 2 clicks, okay? There's not 4 like original box, but there's only 2. How you can put this on is install this side first. Just put it on the hinge, push it forward, right? So push it forward and close it. Then pull the tab hard. Just an operation, but it's really tight fit. It's tighter than the original box. So that's on for now. Okay, so it's coming along. All right, then I need a this coupler again, along with the tightening things here, 2 of them. And then let's put that in the middle here. Okay, easy. I still have to put this tube into here using a male-to-male connector. It's over there. Hey, I'll tell you the truth. Putting this on is the toughest from here to here because it's so wide. Just hold on to this with your leg and then just shove this in. And then this thing is so tight that I don't know, you'll get it done, but it's hardest on this part. And what I did is I'm using the old the wire plug right here, and I cut it. Okay, so I'm just gonna, because if you look on the bottom, there's a hole for the wire. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, it's this one. that's supposed to click in, but this is 90 degrees, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put the straight one in and I'm gonna pop it in so this wire can just sit here like this without you know, I don't know, making noise and causing problems. Put this and I taped it with electrical tape and I'm just gonna pop it in here. So now it's in place. That's it. And now it's secured. That's simple. But it's a little bit of a modification that we had to do. Or I had to do. And you guys gonna do the same thing. Anyway, so I'll be back. Let me put on the top box right here and then try to plug that in. And then make sure this is in. And put the engine cover. So, almost done with the process. I still have to put that small tube into this location. But pretty much it's almost done. I just have to fill this hole with this grommet and this indicator. Let's put the indicator there. So the pointy part goes in first. Ooh. Okay, it's on. So push it in. Okay, that's it. And then push to reset. So it is right now reset. Okay. I just want to have that TRD logo right there. And then this lettering this way. Anyways, let's cut to the right size and then plug it in right here. But I don't know how this should go because I don't want this thing to touch the hot engine or whatever that is. So let me find out real quick. Okay, so guys, the male to male piece that goes into the tube that I just cut to length, and I'm gonna shove it in there. But I'm gonna zip tie and I'll show you. It is done. It is done. So what I did is I plugged it to the little hose to here, coupler, and then I just zip tied it here. You just need one zip tie basically, and then make the hose a little bit loose. Everything's tight, ready to go. It's all clipped. The rear is all organized. Nothing's rambling or rattling or anything like that. So everything's good. So now we're gonna just put the engine cover. I wish I had a different engine cover, like a TRD Pro engine cover, but it's gonna be right there, and you just push it down to the right points. I think it's one here. That's it. So that is TRD Pro. I'm sorry, TRD Cold Air Intake. And I'll take my time cleaning up. Okay, then let's put this back. Ooh. Okay, put it down, and I'll screw that in, and I'll come back for the engine. Hey guys, I know it's a little bit loud, but the first time the engine stalled, I think because when you disconnect the battery, that's what happens. And the second time, started right up, and everything's good. And it's working. So let's clear everything out, and I'm gonna go for a test drive.